what it looks like out here. Let's go check out the turtles. I want to spend my day in here, right? You lounged out like you're by the pool. Gonna feed these guys and update some water bowls with some fresh water, and got these guys some worms tomorrow. I'm gonna give them some egg today, some banana, and some of this turtle chow and some shrimp. So let me set up some bowls and feed these guys. These guys have Missouri and some hard-boiled egg. I'm sure Big Red and Cherry will come out soon. This little guy's got some shrimp. Little Red's got some egg and some banana. These guys got some shrimp, some pellets, some egg, a little bit of banana. And these guys are big. That's great. So chow. I like that shrimp. All right, I'm gonna head back out into the cold.